Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Swap in fresh batteries and power the TV on so it can receive signals. Once done, place the remote within 3 to 5 feet and point at the TV's IR sensor or enable Bluetooth if supported. This ensures reliable pairing. Next, find your remote's code list or get ready to run the auto search mode. This is the first actionable step, because the remote needs a correct code or search response to control your smart TV functions. You now program the remote. Either enter the TV brand code using the number keys or press and hold program or setup to begin the automatic search. While it runs, test the power button, then try volume and input keys after each candidate code or when the search pauses. This confirms which code matches. When the TV responds correctly, save or lock that code so the remote retains it. Make sure to write the code down in case you need to reprogram later. Finish by mapping any special smart keys or pairing the remote with the TV's app if your remote supports learning. This ties smart functions to the buttons you'll use daily. Once mapped, test streaming app launch, input switching, and navigation. If something fails, rerun the setup, replace batteries, and confirm the TV firmware is current because outdated software often blocks pairing. If problems persist, ensure clear line of sight or use the TV.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.